So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Oracle stock, ticker symbol ORCL in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, I go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're on the Discover screen, I go to the top search bar and press on search. Now we can just type in ticker symbol ORCL. For Oracle. So as you can tell, Oracle Corp, press on that right here. Now once you're on this screen, if you wanted to invest into Oracle, go to the bottom and press on buy. And then go ahead where it says fractional buy if you wanted to change that, for example, into a market buy or limit buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy. These are your options to go ahead and select. But if you just want to stick with fractional buy or whatever, just for this demonstration, we're just going to go ahead and press on 1. Now keep in mind this is in US dollars, not Canadian dollars, so there will be a conversion afterwards. So once that is done, press on continue. So as you can tell, the cost of this is $1 USD, but the estimated cost, which is translated, or I guess transferred to Canadian, is $1.36 with the 1% fee and the exchange rate. So if you wanted to confirm your order, go to the bottom, press on confirm order, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Oracle stock, ticker symbol ORCL in Canada, and I hope this video helped.